Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Drinks with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just dey post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again. So today we want to talk about one of our sister, now member of this our platform. Now correct girl. Oh yeah, you dey for her head. This our sister, he say abeg, he confused, he no know wetin he wan do. Say abeg, he need una opinion, una advise her, because she marry oyibo, and na oyibo, you pepper, you understand me now? So the family say make the oyibo no help her community, make the oyibo help her family. How the matter take start be say, this our sister na person wey be say she suffer well, you know, when person suffer, person get good heart, na God come bless her, because the relationship when she first dey was so nothing to write home about. The relationship was so bad that she herself, she dey work for club. Na club she say she for dey work, and where she come dey work for the club, and she not get any relationship. You know, say people dey work for club don't dey see chance, say they mingle like that. So she just come dey. Now then this white guy just come. The white guy say no be person when they go club. I no even know wetin. Now God just direct the white guy just go, and when he just sit down, just dey think about his life like this. He sit down, say cold. They think about it life. Hey, oh God, no relationship. Oh, this guy don't leave me. Oh, we are for start. Oh, and this my work now. They let me go. How I want to see guy now? You know, wait for the reason. They say good thing. Go you the waka they come. They say wetin wan keep person if they pursue person. The way you want save am, you go they follow and they come. Think you don't they pursue this girl. Want finish this girl life. Now waiting they save her, they waka they come. So all the other girls, all they then get post for the oyibo, they get their fine finish. This our sister, this our member of platform. Say just sit down. Say never look oyibo self. Say in they think about his life. He say now so oyibo just stay pion because the oyibo self. Oh God, young guy fine. Not be all this guy, or maybe person will say I get oyibo, you can't be old papa when you use like 20-30 years stay. No. Not be that kind one. This one a young guy, correct. He said now so the guy young waka straight come meet him. They talk to him, it can't be like film for you. If I look, the guy look and this guy, now so you pepper, because who be me? He said now he arrange himself, be na say, we now, you know now, that time we not the carry last, though we not the carry last. Oh, John, we are the same bended. He said now so, he tell me the guy, before you know it the apple, friendship don't start. Before you know it the apple, the guy say one marry. He dey cry say his boyfriend break his heart. Now this one just come. Now he dive am. Then the guy carry go meet the papa and the mama, and the papa and the mama, only son wey they still get. They still correct people. So tell when she will call me self, your husband mama go dey there. Your husband mama will come dey help her, they do something. I say, this one even pass African mama. That's it. They say Igbo wey good like they can't agree me marry our black Nigeria. You say no go there. Why they hear the mama they talk for the background? I say my sister, oh yeah, dey your head. Oh yeah, it dey for your head. The family accept her. They can't put her for school. They can't take care of her. Before you know it, the apple, they can't do marriage. Now she can't tell the oyibo say before you do marriage, my family know now will not get money. You need to help my family because na me they use that club work till they carry them they go. This one wey I don't marry so. I need to help them. Now I come see wetin they want. Now I come call all family as they take day because she not get parents again. Their parents don't die. And she be even last born. Now I come call all of them. Oh yeah, you wetin you want? Wetin you want? Now so I come do one for them. He arrange them. The money not be the problem. Now he arrange all the family. She come still do something for us. She just be okay. So you can't get money when be say it they come. You understand? And this same oyibo so he can't give for your family again. That is your brothers and sisters, children. He can't give them scholarship. wey be say na him dey take care of them, dey pay their fees, dey do everything. After he don help them, don wey help for business, don wey help for this one, don wey help for that one, you understand, he come give the children scholarship. Even when they wan do marriage, they say that their papa house na so the house no good again o, this and now he come talk say him be last born, na him wan say repair house upon no way does he help individual. They say that house must stand o, if the house no stand, no marriage o. Then he come say him go still go tell oyibo, abeg o my darling husband, see wetin dem dey talk o, dem say na there dem wan for do the marriage, that the house need to, dem need to do the house no fine, na old house, dem need to rebuild the house again. Then they come rebuild the house again before the family come agree say make she come do marriage. Then they go say no problem, do everything. The money wey dem dey take for bride price, wey be say the money no dey big. Una know say Igbo and sorry, not be Igbo, Delta and Edo people, their bride price no dey too big like that. The real bride price na only if you wan do big marriage, as you wan continue do am, na go come cost big money. The money wey dey cost this man, he come say he know when dem his sisters do marriage o, their money no reach like this o. Why you go different because na you boy dey carry dey come. He said the man come tell am say make you no worry, as far as the money dey, make dem do am. He say when they talk am, he know why they talk am, because any small thing na so they go dey they ask for money, ask for money. You know our Africa people now. He said the man say make you no worry. Na so he take dey help the man, help all the family o. He really help the family. Then the man come talk say he get money wey he dey expect, and this money wey he dey expect so na September na the money go come, and they don sign that money. So this oyibo man, him papa come tell the oyibo say, since this money dey come, wetin you wan use this money to do? Then they say they never know wetin they wan use money to do. Then the papa come talk say he go advise una. He come call this member of our platform, come call her husband. Then with that is the husband, the white man papa son, now they talk this one. So with the mother, with the son, with this our member of our platform, all of them sit down for dining table like this. Then the papa come dey talk say, okay, this money, because the family know about the money, say this money when you do they expect, so wetin you wan use this money to do? The guy come say no, he go just leave the money for account. Then the papa come say, I go advise you, since na Africa girl na you marry and suffer, e too much for Africa people, they need help. I go advise you to just sacrifice this money for them, make you take help our community, because I know say you don help the family, just to take help our community, so that they'll see get, that is, the community go still dey okay. Just think of what to do for the community. Then the girl come dey happy, come thank the man, come say they really do well. He go call them for house and say wetin community needs, wey they'll fit do for them. Come say okay o. Now he call the people for house, so you understand. Come tell them say, see wetin dey happen, my oyibo, he wan help community. More now think of wetin my oyibo go fit do for community. Abi na school you wan build, or if na boil, make you put boil for some kind area, or if na anything at all, make they just go round, go search for wetin you wan do. Then family come sit down. They say no, no oyibo no help family, may not help community, make it help the family. Now the girl come dey tell them say, you know if you say may your oyibo no help community, as a family we don try for now. We need to help community. Not be me bring the suggestion, na my husband papa, and I need to obey am, because if I come tell am say make e help the family, e go be like say I dey kolobi the things. E get as e be. At least we don help una now. Family no gree o. They no gree. So she can't go involve, because according to her, he say her ex for Nigeria na very good guy, because they first dey together before she travel, and this her ex, he get some kind problem wey be say two of them no fit dey together. Una understand me? Maybe na genotype matter, na wetin me reason. You know say AS and AS no fit dey together, dem born sickler pikin, and the guy na very nice guy. So the guy don marry to another person now, but they still dey communicate. The guy na help am when she dey build her house, because the time when she start to dey build her house, na im brother im fit carry the contract give. You no see anything for inside, they no do anything, na so money, you no see where the money dey go. So when he come across this boyfriend, he know say na good guy, he know wetin he dey fit do. So he come tell am say see now the guy come say he go do am. So he come give the guy money. Even she no hide am from her husband, she just tell her husband say this guy I don first date am before, see the reason why we take separate from each other, but this guy now he say he go help me because then my brother wetin dey do I no understand. Now the husband come say no problem, make the guy do the thing. So now the guy come help her even do her house and everything wey she dey do for Africa. The guy dey do am well. So the oyibo man sef even know the guy, he come even like the guy. So when this matter come as he tell the family come say they no go gree, make he help community, make he help family, make he not help community. So then she come go say okay, she must help community. The next thing he say make he go ask for school wetin dem wan do, because he say wan first do the school, then they say one girl from America don come do the school. So she got to do another thing, and the money wey dem dey talk no be here wetin dem wan do. I just tire. He say so now he come go tell now your husband come tell am say what about that guy wey help you for your house, wey be your ex? No, that guy dey try. He say now he come involve the guy, make the guy do wetin dem wan do for them. Being as say the family no wan make she help community, dem say why you go come involve that guy for inside, because im dey fear say if he no involve the guy, all the money dem no go see anything bring come out from inside, because na only that guy na dey honest. But the family say if at all say he wan help community, that guy no go ever involve, say because na him ex, wetin concern ex concern married woman. He come say but my husband no dey complain. They say no, they no gree. They even dey talk that one, and then the senior brother come and say no be even ex matter, community they no dey help. Now family, as e be say they get money, they wan use the money to do something. Say na the family they need to help. If na to build one house for all the family, make they help, make they not help community. So my brothers, my sister, wetin you think? Because this our sister, you see he come confused, he no know wetin he wan do. Now come say well, make I say bring am come, make una say talk am. But this man papa wey bring this idea come, you know wetin dey talk o, for you to come change this man idea. Una no think say e get as e be? Una no think say that trust no go dey there for her again? Because dem know say dem don help the family. E be like say the family now Oliver has for more. E be like say na they come be now, because they don't really try. You understand? And now they see me, they not help community, and our community is very poor people there everywhere, no water, nothing. You understand? But the senior brother, they even they talk about the ex, say make the ex carry the contract of one thing or two things for there. The ex say la instant for a grant. Say they no go do anything for the community. Say government dey there wey go do am. Say make e help family, make e not do community. So my sister, you wey dey watch me now, wetin you think? If na your sister na wan bring somebody come now say e wan help community, who you prefer make e help? Na the community e go help, abi na the family they go help? Wetin you think? You think say the family wicked to say make dem not help community, make dem help only family? Or you think say dem dey greedy? Wetin you think? Or you feel say make dem help community so that other people go benefit from her marrying oyibo and a better oyibo for there, for that? Wetin una think? Wetin you think? Which advice you get to give this our sister? Because all una advice, she dey inside here, she be member of this platform, real member, 100% member, not be 50%, 100% member of this platform. You understand? So now she tell me say make she just bring this her matter come, make una talk put, because she sef the way dem come take dey ring bell for her ear dey talk say no do that one you wan go help community dem come put eye for your body dem come put this one for your body dem come do this. He say but he no believe say dem go put eye for her body o, because even when he talk to that he ex come go meet the chief people, the senior people for the community. He say the ex say prayer wey dem pray no be small thing. Their spit dry for their mouth when they take dey pray for her. She never even do am. So for him, he prefer make he help the community. But the family say lele, and if he help community, they go wash am comot for pikin. I no know wetin una think o, because this matter now, na fit just dey look and say e not serious o, na minor thing. My sister, for family to tell you say if you go help community, they go wash you comot for family. Na the family you need to help. Bring everything when you want to help community come family, make dem share am, make dem know as dem want to do am. Wetin you think, my brothers, my sister? Wetin you think about this matter? Abeg, she need your opinion. The voice recording, thank you so much. God go bless all of una. As una dey send voice recording dey come, as una dey put una comment down there, God go bless una in every area of your needs. God will surely grant you your heart desire in the mighty name of Jesus. So thank you so much for watching again. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. If you get anything when they bother you for mind, you know say the thing, you don't know as you want to talk and they bother you. A prayer, a problem say is a problem half solved. Not what die for hypertension, not just go they think. Just talk calm. You go find solution. Nothing when solution not there for this life, my sister. Not be only you want to get problem full everywhere. Some people they tell you their own. You know say your own a press up. Now they do your own, they learn and more for where some people want it. So that thing when they bother you, you can come this platform. You go get solution. Thank you. And remember for your comments and the voice recording. Thank you. God bless you for watching again. Bye.